Good everybody, it's your boy E back in the motherfucking building with another trade recap. Like I said, I'm gonna keep this very transparent all the way to fucking through. I'm journaling my process and as well I'm giving you my strategy. So let's get down to it. I'm gonna go to my Top Step account. So this is one of my accounts. You remember last week, I said, well, my last trade recap we made 198. Today we took a little L of $97. I'm gonna show you what happened. Matter of fact, I took two trades on this. I took a go buy, two buys. I took a demand play that got invalidated and took me out, liquidated me. Then I took a liquidity grab on this account. And while we on this account, I'm gonna go ahead and go over this gold trade. So I don't want y'all to see that. Remove everything. I'm gonna go ahead and do my select bar replay. 8 o'clock this morning. We're gonna replay back to 8. So bam. So I'm gonna go to my daily time frame. It's Monday, this Friday. So you know what I do is I mark up my daily low. And I mark out my daily high. So got my previous day low. Let me down my previous day high right here. Then my previous day low. It's gonna be very quick. And then okay, now I know that we already took the previous day low out. So two things can happen. Either we can keep going down and continue down, or we can take this low out and come back and take this high out. So let's see. Like I said, I took a buy today. We're gonna see. So what happened was I seen the hour time frame, I seen a 1 hour break of structure. I gotta with my break of structure at text, that's at the top. So this is my 1 hour break of structure, and as well, candle by candle, we have a up. We broke this structure, came, made a little higher low, came up, made another higher high. Then if you see, we broke this higher low, came down, and we broke this higher low. So I had this marked up as a break of structure now. So now what I'm looking for is a buy to a sell. That's my intentions. Because I see this break of structure, but as well, I see that we are in discount. So then I go to my 30 minute. I look on my 30-minute time frame and I see a supply. But what I did was I ain't marked up the 30-minute supply. I went up to the 15-minute and I marked up this 15-minute supply right here. So me thinking that price is bearish. Price is bullish, but also now I had to change the carry to bearish because we have broke these structure points. I think I can catch a buy to these sales, to the sellers. So then as well, you know what I do? I go to my 5-minute time frame. Now from my 5-minute time frame, I go to my sessions and I mark out my sessions low, Asian lows, and I mark out my Asian highs. These are my Asian highs. So now I wait to New York session. All right, now it's New York. Now I can mark up my lows, my London lows. And my London highs. Okay, my liquidity is marked up. Previous day lows, previous day highs, agent low, agent high, London low. Okay, now I got my liquidity marked up. So now I'm waiting, waiting. And as well, what I did was potentially I was looking for a liquidity grab, but what happened was I was zoomed in too much and I was looking at minor structure points. So what I seen was price came and we broke this high right here and a little bit of this high. So what I did was I marked up this demand right here. So now I got my 5-minute demand marked up. Now I'm waiting. Came my zone. I'm still waiting for this play. It came reacting to my zone, still respecting my zone. Then I seen that it gave me a up counter in my position, but as well, I was looking for the liquidity grab. Cause it never came and took no London highs, no London lows, or nothing. No London highs or London lows yet. We really just range and really just consolidate. So personally, this was an impulsive buy. And basically it's like, damn, nigga, I know basically was on a block, couldn't wait for the plug, couldn't wait for my barber, went to the wrong barber chair, the nigga done pushed my shit back. I know went to the wrong plug, nigga gave me the wrong pack. So and that's what happened when you don't wait, when you trying to be impatient. We all went through problems like that. We all done went to the wrong barber because we want to get a cut. Our barber busy or booked up. So we being impatient, going to somebody else, knowing damn well we weren't supposed to go to that person. Same thing when you buying weed. You couldn't wait for the plug, you couldn't wait for your mans, but you want to be impatient, so you went to the man across the street, and then they played, gave you the boot pack, and look, what happened? Got in on the break of the candle, still waiting. Boom, I'm in this play now. We got the 1-1. My TP1 right here. Then I'm holding for the TP1-2. So this is my first TP. TP1. We have a break of the candle and we holding at this demand minor breaker structure. And that's why we don't like minor breaker structures. We like to see major breaker structures or some liquidity being grabbed. But right now, this is really manipulation. You know what I'm saying? It's all being manipulated right now to take out buyers and take out sellers. So it's all being manipulation right now. So boom, took me out. Boom, I'm out the motherfucking play. Okay. So now while I'm out of this demand, I lost on this play. Didn't even give me a chance to hit TP1 or nothing. Automatically took me the fuck out. And that's why we gotta always know that, hey, on an hourly time frame, we had to change the character, break a structure to the downside. We broke lows. We were breaking lows on a higher time frame. And I understand that. So I was always looking for a liquidity grab to buy this bitch back up. Cause I understand that we are in discount. We are too low in price to be basically selling. Unless we break this low right here or the candle closer, then we come back and get a supply. So basically right here, we were just basically too low as fuck to really even be motherfucking selling anything, in my opinion. So that's what I did. Seen that price, then it never closed below the London low. So in me, I know that's a liquidity grab. So bam, I see that. So now I see my candle close in my direction. I'm entering on the break of that candle. Like I said, I reached it 180 on this play. I lost on the demand. I only had $20 left before my daily loss limit hit. So what I did was I went ahead and risked on this play because I knew it was going to be a liquidity grab. There wasn't no candle closer. We closed with two long ass wicks, three long ass wicks. 1, 2, 3. So look at this. TP1. This is my TP1. Delete this. So nobody get confused. Delete this demand. It's invalid now. Now we're looking at this liquidity play. Stop loss, 5 pips, 5 pips. Small stop loss, man. Come on. SL below this motherfucking wick. Below that wick. Be getting in at the break of the goddamn candle. So I just got finesse. I just got play now. Okay, I'm about to goddamn make my money back. I'm about to get back, you know what I'm saying? Cause now I understand. Now after I got played and shit, I'm not gonna do that mistake again. I'm gonna wait for my play, wait for my setup, and this will patient motherfucking pays. Cause look at this. Boom. Instant in profits, no fucking drawdown, nigga. TP1 about to be smacked. TP1 smacked. See, can we get the TP2? And this why I got out is because I knowing that we are in a bear market, but I always go for TP2 after I take my partials at TP1. So now let's see. Now at this time, my SL here, and now I moved it up here. Now I got my SL here. Boom. What I did was I closed out my trade up here though. Once this last candle, let me do a bar replay. Once this last candle got printed out, I got out exactly right here. So altogether I caught a 1.27. Cool. Give you what look, I'm a scalper, bro. So you gotta get what the market present you. You gotta get what you can out of these markets. Don't get greedy. As well, only been 8 months in, almost 9 months in. So why go for a high risk and reward with a low win rate when I can go for a consistent base hit and consistently have a good win rate, a high win rate? It help with your psychology. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be doing dumb shit around here. You want to play the game smart. So bam, after the 1-1, I'm taking position off. I'm leaving runnings always. I'm leaving one contract always. Always leaving one contract. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I could have got the whole full TP1 and took the whole 150. But fuck that. I could have actually got back break even with the runner. But hey, I couldn't. You know what I'm saying? The market gave me what the market gave me. So I'm cool with that. I cut a motherfucking loss down. I'm still in the game. I'm still surviving. And that's what it's all about. You gotta survive in these games, man. Just like these motherfucking streets. You gotta survive. Just like life, you have to survive. Don't get greedy. Be humble. And the market is gonna humble you. So boom. So that play is done. And I took a trade on my other account. I'm gonna show you. We won. $91. It want my play. Shout out to my nigga Bond. He called this out on NAS. So we're gonna go to NAS and to show y'all what we caught on NAS. I'm gonna do a bar replay. Like I said, this is my man's play. So all I did was he said he was looking for buys after the high was marking out. So all I did was I drew my trend line and understand if we go past this trend line, this is considered as a break instruction. But as well too, I like a candle closer, but as well I trust in my nigga Bond because he just bomb sniper. He be sniping them bitches. So let's see how it go. Got the break instruction. Now we drawing up our demands. We have a demand here. We have a demand down here. So we got two 5-minute demands. 5-minute demand. 5-minute demand. So now we got two 5-minute demands. Now I'm waiting. to see once it get valid. Boom, this shit tapped. We're still waiting. Don't enter. Candle closed our position. We didn't enter because this candle closed long, big as hell. So we still cautious right now. So we wait. Boom. This right here looked like it played out. Now we wait. Waiting. Waiting. Oh, well, never mind, guys. I took this demand. I'm tripping. So, like I said, this one of my plays, my man's play. So you should already know. You see how I broke down motherfucking goals. So let me go back. So I did took this demand. What happened was we had this demand marked up right here. So we had these two demand marked up. We didn't have this one down here. I'm sorry, guys. I thought I did until I started seeing that bitch play down. Like, damn, that's the play I put right there. That's crazy. So boom. So boom. Two demands he told me about right here, marking them up, waiting. And I took this play because, well, gold wasn't playing out at the time. But once I took this buy play, I switched on gold and my whole bias was fucked up because I'm like, because first I took an impulsive buy. So when I seen gold holding at the demand, I'm thinking that price going to keep respecting it. But like I said, I was mainly looking for the liquidity grab. It was an impulsive buy. But you see how I was able to get the other trade. I haven't reached my daily loss limit of 200. I was at 183 down. So I had one more trade to take. Took the other trade, took contracts out of 101, and now I cut that big loss half. So that's great on my end because now I can trade tomorrow and basically be break even tomorrow. Or even this week, I can be profitable this week. We won't know, you know what I'm saying? We're going to see. But to be honest, I know I'm going to be profitable because I believe in myself. I am a profitable trader in this bitch. So that's why you got to tell yourself, man. Fuck all that bullshit. So now look. So we at this demand. So we thinking that this man going to hold. Boom, invalidate that whole demand. So now we're looking at this demand. You see how we didn't break this candle? So usually on demands, you can take the aggressive entry or conservative entry. What I like to do, I like to see a candle close my position, then see a second candle closing my position. So now that's invalidated. Now we at this demand. Boom, candle closing my position. Right now I'm still waiting. Cause what happened was we had just came hard as hell to this demand level. Sometimes this can be considered as a liquidity grab to keep going down, just to fake out buyers. So what I did was, cause he just told me about a demand play, he ain't tell me to get in. So what I did was, my entry protocol is always least wait for a candle, closing your position. I'm waiting for a buy. I got the buy candle right here. Now I'm waiting for that down break of the candle. Let's see if we get. Boom, we got the break of the candle. So once that bitch broke, I'm already in the play. Sorry guys for that. I don't know why the hell I played that. But I do not smoke while I trade. I only smoke while I'm already in the position. So technically, what I did was, what I did was, I put my wrist on, since it wasn't my play, and as well, and then it can't have a candle closure like I like. I did light wrist on this. So I'm only risking probably like, I think I'm risking exactly 150 or 7. Yeah, I think I'm risking exactly 150, I believe, or 70. Either way, what happened was when I got in position, it broke so fast. I was trying to add in my position, so my SL kept getting moved up. So technically, I can't really say what I risked because I risked probably like 100, 150 or some shit like that. Basically, I risked my daily loss limit. Cause when the fucking SL got up, I had my SL here. I had my SL here. When I add in position, my, you know, my wrist went up. So I put my SL at the break of the damn at the bottom of this candle. So bam, we hit, boom. Actually, TP1 fucking smack. 1-1. So after that TP1 smack, I'm holding for the fucking 1-2. But I'm adding to my position, so now my entry is all fucked up. So my entry fucked up right now. My entry probably like way up here on some bullshit. So I automatically goddamn fuck it. Put my brakes, my stop loss, could put that red. I said fuck it, I put my stop loss break fucking even. Cause goddamn my entry fucked up. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm trying to add in positions. You feel me? I haven't really mastered on adding my positions yet. You feel me? I'm only 8 months in, but I'll be 9. So understand when the year come, look at the fucking progress. So boom. So I'm still in this motherfucking trade. Boom, shit took me out. Went up even fucking more. I'm out to fucking play. You know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna host for the fucking 1-2, but I'm trying to add to my position. I couldn't do it. So now look. Hit fucking TP. Oh my fucking gosh, from 1-2, baby. You know what I'm saying? Even if my SL was down here. Let's see. Alright, so bam. We didn't get the full 1-2 if my SL was down there. But even when I had a little tight SL down here, only 9 pips. This right here was 12. So 8 pip, 9 pip, scalping, boom. You know what I'm saying? Right here. That bitch hit for the 1-3. So I usually hold these trades, but like I said, I didn't risk what I wanted to risk when I was adding my position, fuck my entry level up, and it was my man's play. But as well, he called a fucking banger. I knew it was gonna be a banger because he actually trade NAS and S&P. I'm mostly on gold all the time, so you know what I'm saying. Shout out to that nigga. Got me less than fucking drawdown. Let's fucking see what's going on. So total P&L 600. Like, come on, you feel me? Balance at 900. You feel me? Negative 900. Cool. You feel me? I'm slowly getting out of drawdown. Y'all gonna see this shit back break even once again. Y'all gonna see me getting this paper once again on the accounts. November was a bad month for me, but December is gonna be a good month. You know what I'm saying? 2 accounts. I usually copy trade, but right now, since I'm still in the beginner stage, I'm on this motherfucking trading one by one. You feel me? That's how I'm gonna do it. You feel me? Once I get them both probably like at the same balance and a little bit of profit, I put bitch back on copy trade. But ain't no point. One and deeper down drown in the other one. So why would the fuck I do that? And both of them got 2 day loss limits. You know what I'm saying? Like, to me it made no sense. You feel me? Leave in the comments what you think. That's what the 2 plays I did. We caught the motherfucking Nas by caught gold buys. You feel me? Played out liquidity grab. I did get played. Like I said, never cheat on your barber, and never cheat on your plug, cause you always gonna get finesse. That's why you stay patient. Whatever you have in your mind and your motherfucking strategy, or what you have an idea of what you think the market gonna do, more than likely it may play out. So always keep your vision in mind. I should have never took that demand. That's just a low pro fucking demand. Keep it real. It had no fair value gaps, no nothing right there. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's a low pro demand off rip. You know what I'm saying? Then as well, I was already looking for liquidity graph. I was looking for the fucking buy. It's going to be a liquidity graph. You know what I'm saying? Unless it break with a candle closure on this low. You feel me? But it didn't. So hey man, that's all I got today, man. I hope y'all appreciate the trade recap. Leave in the comments and shit, you feel me? We up $98 on one account, down 97 on another account, $91 on one account, down 97 on another account. You know what I'm saying? So basically I'm break even, but I'm not, but it's all cool. Cause I promise you, there's gonna be a time, you know what I'm saying, when all this shit gonna fold. I got 2 funnies. I'm trying to stay in the game. Niggas get funny, don't even get a payout. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm 8, 9 months in, but it's cool though. I ain't even a year in. And I guarantee you I'm gonna have a payout before I'm in. I'm already had a payout. I just haven't received it yet. I'm already making 10K a month. I haven't just received my payout yet. You gotta believe in this shit, nigga. I'm making 10K a month off this trading shit. I just haven't received my fucking payout. And I guarantee you, my first 10K a month, motherfucker, I'm gonna be out here showing my motherfucking ass because it's been manifested already in this video. You know how we fucking go, nigga. You know what I'm saying?